Here's our next graph, and this one I didn't make so skinny. Instead of having a, so remember that the coefficient on x is going to be the reciprocal. So having a number between 0 and 1 means now our graph will get wider, not skinnier. All right, so our first column, and we're going to deal with each one separately. So we have our x. We have the 1/2. I think I might be short a column. 1/2 x. We have, though I am short a column. Then we have the +2. And then that's the end of our x's. So that value is going to be our x coordinate. Then we have our y. You know, I'm going to, just because I'm short 2 columns. It's okay. We'll just you would just divide our columns. It won't be a problem. All right, let's just make another column here, and this will be the 1/2 x. Then we'll have that x plus 2. Then we'll have the y. We'll make this 2 columns. This will be the 2y, and this will be the -3. There, it all fits in just perfectly. All right, so this is a cubic function again. Our x coordinates are -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. If we cube those values, and so that gives us enough of a shape of our graph, and notice it's centered on the y-intercept. If we cube -2, that's 8. If we cube -1, that's -1. 0 cubed is 0, 1 cubed is 1, and 2 cubed is 8. All right, so now to our x's, since it's 1/2 x, we multiply by the reciprocal. The reciprocal would be 2. So we're going to multiply by 2. So -2 becomes -4. -1 becomes -2. 0 becomes the same thing. 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 4 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Notice on the last graph, we had a negative. That caused our graph to reflect. So we went down left to right instead of the usual up left to right. Here, no reflections. All right, so now we're shifting. This x plus 2 means to left, so we're going to subtract 2. All right, so -4 minus 2 is -6. -2 minus 2 is -4. 0 minus 2 is -2. 2 minus 2 is 0, and 4 minus 2 is 2. This is our x value, all right, because we're done with x's. To the y. All right, so this is not the reciprocal, it just is what it is. So this will be -16. Looks like we're cutting some points off again. -16, -2, 0 times 2 is 0. I'm sorry, that means a negative. 1 times 2 is 2. 8 times 2 is 16, and then we'll subtract 3. So -16 minus 3, I didn't write this, no, I didn't. This is very close to the last one. I just changed a few values. That makes that -19. I should have made this instead of a 2. I should have made it a half. -2 minus 3 would be a -5. 0 minus 3, that looks a little funny, is a -3. 2 minus 3 is a -1, and this would be 13. We can get everybody but this one in again. So this is our y values. All right, so we have -4, -5. So this is going to go up left to right. -2, -3. And then, so this is stretched horizontally. 0, -1. And 2, 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Just extend it a little bit. There we go, 13. All right, so this is a little easier to graph. Here's our traditional S shape. All right, so this is vertically and horizontally stretched. Right? And that's all there is to graphing with transformations. So we've done these before, right? And now we're just applying them to polynomials. Right? Thanks for watching. Bye for now.